My family loves when I make my homemade sprouted bread. In a large bowl, dissolve honey in warm water. Sprinkle yeast over top. In a separate bowl, combine wheat flour, oat bran, and salt. Mix well. When the yeast mixture is foamy, add olive oil and dry ingredients. Mix well and leave to rest for 10 minutes. Tip the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 5 minutes. Place the dough in an oiled bowl and leave in a warm place to double in size. Gently knock back the dough. Form the dough into a log and place it into a well-oiled loaf pan. Let it rest for another hour. Bake the bread in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes until it's golden on top. I love to serve mine warm with butter. You can find more easy bread recipes on my website.